Hello and welcome to the Menopause Relief Therapy channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through some powerful health affirmations. Our thoughts greatly influence our physical well-being, and these affirmations are designed to support your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and expert in the field of mind-body connection, has shown that consistent positive thoughts can significantly impact our health and healing process. To cultivate vibrant health, listen to these affirmations daily. You can listen to these affirmations while getting ready in the morning, during a walk, or before going to sleep. Today, let's focus on prioritizing our health and well-being. It's the foundation for a fulfilling life. Let's begin. Repeat after me, or simply listen and let the words wash over you. I take steps to become the healthiest version of myself. I focus on my mind, changing my mental health. And I focus on my physical health to live a long and prosperous life. I live a long and healthy life. I radiate health. I model healthy habits to others. Today, I make healthy choices. I am a mentally and physically healthy person. My sleep is relaxing, resting, and when I wake up, I feel healthy. Day by day, I become healthier. I'm already healthy, but will continue to be healthier. I am health conscious. I take the steps to be the healthiest version of myself. I love to work out and stay motivated. I am focused on my weight loss goals. Today, my body is stronger than it was yesterday. I do my workout like I had planned. I can do every exercise with enough intention and practice. My health comes first. I practice what I preach, and that means taking care of myself. I nourish my body, my mind, and my soul by focusing on my health. Beautiful work. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Celebrate your progress and listen to your body's needs. How did that feel? You deserve optimal health and well-being. Let's navigate this chapter of life together with vitality and energy. Thank you for joining me today and for making your health a priority. When you affirm positive beliefs about your health daily, you support your body's natural capacity for well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below for more affirmations and guided meditations. Check out the other videos on this channel for additional tips and guidance. I truly appreciate your presence here. Don't forget to like and save this video so you can easily return to it each day and share it with someone who might benefit from a boost in their health journey. I'm sending you so much love. And until next time, take care.